Okay, be honest. How many tabs do you have open right now? 5, 7, 15? I had 32 tabs open yesterday just trying to research one simple question. What if I told you that there is a browser that can replace all that chaos with one intelligent conversation? Hello everyone, I am Ashish and you're watching Coders Academy. Today we are doing a deep dive into Perplexity's new Comet browser. And it isn't just a clone of Chrome. Instead, it's like ChatGPT, Google, and a research assistant all rolled up into a single browser bar. I have been testing Comet for the last 1 week, and honestly, it's like the future of browsing. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. Comet looks like a regular browser at first glance, but here is where it gets wild. Instead of just typing the URLs or search terms, you can have a direct conversation with the internet. Watch this. So I'm typing here, I'm a college student studying computer science. What programming languages should I focus on that will actually get me hired in 2025? It's pulling all the real-time information from the job market data, recent hiring trends. So to get hired in 2025, computer science student focus on the programming essential languages for 2025. Notice here that every single result has a source mentioned here. Okay, so these aren't some random websites. It is some trustworthy websites like Pluralsight. It has taken information from Reddit, Crossover, and then iTransition. Some tech articles are present here. So it's pulling all the information from the job boards, recent technical articles and industry reports, skills and trends to consider, recommended focus. And not just that, you can actually have a conversation with this search result. Say, for example, if you have a follow-up question to this result, you can have that directly here written in the search box. So that way you can have a conversation with your internet instead of just searching for results from random websites. In our first demo, we will ask Comet to create an infographic about the auto sales for August 2025. So it has started collecting the information from various sources, about 20 odd sources, and it's trying to create an infographic chart. So we'll allow it to finish. Yeah, it's come back with the result. So it says that there's a mixed result for August with the overall drop in the sales, but it has said that the key trends include a Maruti Suzuki decline and Tata Motors also leading the electric segment. And then it says about the details of the brand wise sales snapshot, followed by the infographic that we had asked for. So it has created an infographic on the fly with all the OEM vendors and their sales data for the month of August 2025, followed by the final summary stats for the passenger vehicle, EV, SUV and Maruti. Now let's try that same thing in Google. So the first result that we have got here is that we have no data about August 2025. Clearly that's a false information because the data has already been released, and since it does not have the data, there is no question about having an infographic. So clearly a win for Comet. In a second demo, we will try to find the recent reviews about Zendesk as a company for a new potential employee. So it has gathered the information as a mixed reviews for the 2025 year, where it is a good amount of positive as well as negative, and then it has given an overall rating. So overall in 2025 it gets 3.8 out of 5 on Indeed and 3.4 out of 5 on Blind. The employees have praised for the inclusive work environment, flexibility. Major pros is work-life balance, flexibility at work, but major cons is management instability, reports of layoffs, fewer career development opportunities and delayed backfills. And then final table of all the ratings from the various sources. Now let's try the same thing in Google. So here also it says that there is a mixed rating, a positive culture, good work-life balance, supportive managers, and as cons it's management inconsistency, lack of internal growth and concerns around job security with potential layoffs. And then finally it gives us the details of all the pros and followed by the cons. You can pause the video and go through it. So pretty much equal result as Comet. In our next demo, we'll try to find out the highest rated TV shows on Netflix or streaming platforms for this month. So I'm recording this as of September. So let's see, we have got the top 10 results as Hostage, Fit for TV, Wednesday Season 1 and Untamed Season 1 in Google as the most rated TV shows. Now let's try the same search query in Comet. So as of September 2025, it's correctly identified that the result is requested for September. So it has found out the results for critically acclaimed new and returning series. So Wednesday Season 2 and specifically Part 2 is trending with high ratings. Then Code of Silence is there, The Paper is there, Untitled Task Force, Only Murders in the Building, Season 5, Black Rabbit and House of Genius, right? So these are the results given by Comet. There is little or no match between this and the Google search results. Literally there is no match between both the search results that we have got. So Comet gives you the most latest and updated information. So here it's a clear win for Comet. Now in the final demo, we'll take a look at what are the current trending topics on the X right now for India. So Google says it's about the Maratha quota, K. Kavita suspension, some geopolitical US pressure over Russian oil and some viral news around Delhi metro, and it's segregated that based on the categories: business, economy and politics. Now let's try the same thing in Comet. So it's getting all the information with top trending hashtags and top trending tweets. So here it says about happy birthday to Pawan Kalyan, then some SEO summit updates, Operation Mahadev, stop hating Brahmins. These are the trending topics on Twitter or X as it is called now in India as of the recording this video. So these are the details of the hashtags and the tweets. Other popular topics are technology related, then national news and a beautiful summary of the topics for the current trending areas. Now let's verify that with Twitter itself. So we go to x.com, in the trending we do see Semicon India 2025, then some news about Umar Khalid. If we look at the other categories, there is around in the news it's about Gurugram's state of affairs, then in sports it's about Bill Irfan Pathan, and then there is a happy birthday to Pawan Kalyan. So who should use this? If you are a student, researcher or anyone who spends hours going down the research rabbit hole, Comet can be a game changer for you. It can save you loads of time to do some productive work. Content creators. This could be a gold mine for the content creators. You could use Comet for doing research, getting fresh ideas or doing fact checking. But if you're someone who are just using the internet for browsing or social media checking or doing online shopping, Comet could be an overkill for you. After all, who buys a Formula 1 car for doing grocery runs? So that was your video for today. If this video motivated you to give Comet a try, smash that like button. And if you want to be in touch with all the AI related news, content and tutorials, do not forget to subscribe to the Coders Academy channel. Let me know in the comments what is the next content you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching this video.